In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a department in QuickBooks Accountant. This process is straightforward and should only take you about 5 minutes to complete. Let's dive right in. First, you will need to click on the sign in option as you begin this process. This is your gateway to accessing all the features that QuickBooks offers. Once you are on the sign in page, select QuickBooks Online from the available options. This ensures you are accessing the online version of QuickBooks where you'll be doing your work. Next, enter your credentials, make sure your username and password are handy. Once you've logged in, click Continue to proceed to the main dashboard. Here you'll find a variety of features and functions that QuickBooks provides, but for today we'll focus on setting up your departments. Head over to the Employees section. You can usually find this in the toolbar or menu on the left hand side of the dashboard. Clicking on Employees will bring up a list of all your existing employees. Next, you'll want to look for your own employee profile. Click on it to access your personal employment details. After you're in your employee profile, direct your attention to the employment details section. This is where all the critical aspects of your employment information are stored and managed. Click on employment details to view and edit this information. Here you will find the edit button, which you should click to make changes. Once you're in editing mode, look for the department drop-down menu. It should be visible as part of the employment information. Click on the drop-down to see the available options. If your desired department isn't listed, this is where you'll add a new one. Next, click on the option that says Add Department. This will open up a field for you to enter the name of the new department you want to create. Take your time to type in the exact name you wish the department to be called. Accuracy is crucial here to ensure proper organization and tracking. Finally, after inputting the new department name, click on the Save button. This step is crucial as it ensures all the changes you've made are stored and updated in the system. Once you click Save, your new department will be added and connected to your profile. And that's it, you've successfully added a department in QuickBooks Accountant in just a few simple steps. Remember, keeping your departmental information up to date helps streamline your accounting processes and improve organizational efficiency within QuickBooks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.